Hi, today's adventure is we're going to the premier bike shop, Masaya Bicycles. There's so many reasons why I love this shop. I think I've been in love with this shop since the first time I've ever been there. So, hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave it below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Part of the reason why I really love this place is every time I go there, they're really nice to my daughter. And she can enjoy just being around bicycles, touching them, and I want her to have the same love for bicycles that I have. Hopefully one day she'll get into motorcycles too, but let's start with the bicycles first. This store has everything. Bikes for all sorts of people, every category, every level, every price point. Wow. And just everything in it is pretty cool.
Whoa, that is gnarly. Holy crap. Wow. Did you see that? That's crazy. Oh, that is nuts.
Hi, どうぞ。どうはちゃんどうはちゃんどう楽しい
I really want a TACX or a Wahoo Kicker. If you were in the market for one, which one would you buy? Let me know.
She always loved being on my bicycle, so it's really good for me to have a direct drive trainer. Then she can hop on when she wants, get used to that feeling, just being natural on the bike.
He made his own beer. How is that? Crazy. IPA.
Yeah, now on sale.
How much is it?
660円。
660 yen. Okay. If you want, please check it. Mr. Ueno. Okay.
Thank you.
Very good service today. Then they even have Theragun and this 1.5 yo. 1.5 珍しいのすごい行きたい
In my lifetime, I've bought a lot of bikes, and buying a bike in Japan is it's a pretty difficult task. So what I want to do is talk about the best way to buy a bicycle in Japan, and I'll walk you through the pros and cons of each store. Like, for example, the first time I rode a Madone, I fell in love and I bought it at the Trek store. The service was okay, the shop closed, and it was really difficult. So when I found Masaya, I bought a Domane from them, and that was one of my favorite bikes for a long time. But I missed that Madone. And I've ridden a lot of bikes. Like I've ridden like a Canondale, Garneau, 2 Trek Madones, a Supersix, a lot of specialized bikes. But my heart is Madone, so I'm looking forward to the next generation Madone. That's probably my next bike. So we'll see you in the next one. And the next video we'll talk about how this current new Madone compares to the last 2 generations. We'll look at the power and the transfer and just how different they are.